Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a new user to cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, new users are added through so-called sub-accounts, simply because your main account, the main user that is the owner of the domain, has total control of this, and that is the main account, and they can create sub-accounts of that account with either limited permissions or whatever they choose, and it's relatively easily done. So what you need to do is you just need to go into your account manager or user manager, and from there you just need to click add a user. From there you need to enter the full name in the full name text box, the username in the username text box. If you manage more than one domain, select the appropriate domain from the domain menu, and then enter a contact email address for the user, and you must enter the correct one. To use the reset password feature to allow the user to set their own password if they want to. And if you do not specify an email address, the system will generate a fake one when the user attempts to reset their password, and this just protects the user's credentials on an account, and the email address appears as a hint in the contact email address text box on the cPanel login interface. But yeah, once you're done with that, you need to select the method to use to set the sub-account password. You can send an email to the user to set their own password by selecting the user who will set their own account password. Set the password yourself, which is set the user's password. Then you just need to enter and confirm the new password, and then give that password to another to the user you want to give access to. Then just select the services that you want to give them, and then after you're done with the services and the permissions, just click create and add another user if you plan on adding more. But in essence, that's pretty much it. Now, I did use this official cPanel documentation simply because I do not have access to cPanel, but I hope you guys were able to follow freely. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.